नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आपण वर्ग 8वी मध्ये गणिताची एक पुस्तक पाहिली, पण वर्ग 9वी मध्ये आपल्याला गणिताच्या दोन बुक्सचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे। त्यापैकी गणित 2 म्हणजे मॅथ्स 2 मध्ये आपल्याला अभ्यास करायचा आहे। त्यापैकी द फर्स्ट लेसन इज बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इन ज्योमेट्री। इन दिस लेसन the first point is coordinates of points and distance. Now what is coordinates of points? We know number lines. On the number line there are numbers from 0 right hand side positive numbers and left hand side negative numbers, and these are the points. Now the numbers associated with that points are called coordinates. Means the points A denote these numbers 0. So this 0 is a coordinates of point A. Also this point C. Now these C points denotes numbers 2. So these two numbers is called a coordinates of point C. Now second one is distance. Now how to find the distance between these two numbers? So the distance between any two numbers or points obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinates from larger coordinates. That means if we have to find the distance between this point B and C, so larger coordinates of this B and C is 2 and smaller is 1. So distance between these 2 points we have to find. So subtract this 1 from 2. So for example, the coordinate of point B is 1 and the coordinate of point D is 3. So the distance between this point B and D is denoted as distance between D and B is equal to, so in this case the coordinate of B and D is greater and 1 is smaller. These are the coordinates of this point D and B. So greater point is number is 3 and smaller one is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. That is the distance between D and B is equal to 2. You have to solve this homework. That is the find distance between C and Q and the distance between B and R point from this number line. Now next point is betweenness. Now what is mean by betweenness? If there are 3 points, that is P, Q, R are 3 distinct collinear points. Means this collinear point means all points are lying in same line, such that distance between this PQ plus distance between Q and R is equal to distance between point P and R. So that is the addition of these two distance is equal to the distance between P and R. That is PQ plus QR is equal to PR. Then this point, that is Q, is lying between P and R, and this betweenness point is denoted as this Q is lying between point P and R, or this Q point is lying between R and P. Now we see for this example, find which of the point is between other two. That is this point Q R lies between P and R, or R is lies between P and R. So this example is distance between P and Q is equal to 7 and distance between P and R is equal to 10, and distance between this point Q and R is equal to 3. So in this case we see the larger one, that is distance between P and R. So I write this distance between point P and R is equal to 10, gives equation number 1. Now next one is this smaller distance. So I take this smaller one, that is addition of these two is equal to 7 plus 3. This 7 plus 3 and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. This is the equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write distance between P and Q plus distance between Q and R is equal to distance between P and R. That is, this addition is equal to distance between point P and R. Means point P and PQR are collinear and this point Q is lying between P and R. So for this example you have to solve practice set number 1.1. तो या उदाहरणावरून आपल्याला तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.1 मधील उदाहरण सोडवायचे आहेत अँड टुमारो वी सी द नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2. थँक यू.